Find or read reviews that people are talking about YITAHOME 12,000 BTU, mini split air conditioner, heat pump system. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Energy efficient cooling and heating. The split air conditioner is equipped with a high power compressor and heat pump. Innovative inverter technology ensures optimal performance with 25% energy savings. Covers 750 square feet, ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, garages, RVs, basements, commercial applications, and more. Our mini split AC is ETL and AHRI certified, guaranteeing reliability and energy efficiency. 5 modes. YITAHOME low ambient wall-mounted mini splits offer 5 modes: auto, cool, dry, heat and fan, Wi-Fi enabled and Alexa compatible. Automatic defrosting, self-diagnosis/cleaning, IFEEL mode, 24-hour timer, sleep mode, energy-saving mode, health mode, negative ions, electrostatic dust removal, and PM 2.5 removal. Silent performance. The mini split operates quietly, creating minimal noise during operation. The remote control allows you to set the temperature between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. With noise levels below 41 decibels, you can enjoy a tranquil and undisturbed environment while benefiting from the efficient cooling and heating capabilities of our system. All-weather response. The mini split AC/heating system is designed to perform in various environments, including in temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 118 degrees Fahrenheit. Providing optimal performance in every season, reaching a maximum airflow distance of 50 feet, creating a 4D air circulation within the room. Installation package. System comes with an indoor unit, outdoor unit, multifunctional remote control, and comprehensive installation kit. Pre-charged with environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant, replaceable with R410A refrigerant, while the air filter is washable and easy to clean. Professional installation is required for this system. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.